Couldn't come now, you see. Entire members of their school are here. You can see clearly what is here. I'm surprised to hear that a few persons they sat in somewhere to say they have been suspended. First, they don't have that constitutional power. I think they should read their constitution. One of them is a doctor, and I have so much respect for him. You should go through the constitution before taking certain decision. You just don't play into the gallery because probably you've collected money from one person, you want to play into that. I think they don't have the moral right to say I'm suspended. If you understand what is happening to the party, distraction, that's what they want to do, nothing more. If you watch in the last couple of the PDP has been there in the front of INEC, they said they will be there till Friday. That's the last day we're going to file our case in the tribunal. But it's going to be shocking to them that we're going to file our case in the tribunal.
The allegation against our leader, the former transportation minister and former governor of Rivers State, the Right Honorable Amaechi, is preposterous to say the least, because prior to the general elections, there was no event, there was no meeting, there was nothing of sorts where our leader directed any member of either the state working committee or the state executive committee of the APC to vote against our party, the APC. Two of the persons who addressed the media or who were present at that media briefing have already left the APC officially. Now, I'll show to the press this afternoon. This was a message sent to the leader of APC and the former ambassador of Nigeria to the Netherlands, Ambassador Ojingofa, by one of the signatories to that briefing, number 9 on the list. Number 9 on the list, Oyo Frederick. If you wouldn't mind, let me read it out to you. And if you also want to know, I can forward the WhatsApp from where this was printed out from. Now, the message is, Your Excellency, although this is not the right medium to write and inform you on this subject matter, I absolutely cherished all my relationship with you, particularly in politics. You have shown me love, both as an individual and in office as local government chairman. This I have not taken for granted, and I have demonstrated my support for you, both in last election and beyond. Your Excellency, I have consulted my immediate constituency and have decided to leave the party APC. Please accept my decision as I will continue to hold you in high esteem. Thanks, Oyo, Honorable Oyo Frederick. This message was sent 11:43 a.m. on the 13th of March 2023. And this was the official defection of Honorable Frederick Oyo from the APC.